I didn't get any sleep last night. I took a melatonin. It didn't work. I was still up. 3, 4, 5, 6 a.m. became. Time to get up and get ready to go. I spent the night before mentally preparing myself and gathering my things. I tried to make a list of everything I might need. I have been skiing before, but that was 2 years ago, so I didn't know if I would be forgetting anything. We're going snowboarding at Sugar Mountain, located in Banner Elk, North Carolina. And regardless of whether I was ready or not, we had our location pinned, and I knew exactly what part of the mountain I would be staying at. All of the windshields are very frozen. I wonder if I should scrape the rental car's windshield while I'm waiting for them. I don't know. But me and you are gonna make a run to Dunkin'. I need a chai to stay alive. My windshield is frozen. I can't see.
Hey, you can choose Dunkin' or
No thanks. I have an order for Jasmine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. There are so many people here right now. All the parking lots are full. We're getting dressed out the back of the trunk. But what matters is we made it. We're here. We're doing the dang thing. Okay, Nisi fit check, sir. We're walking to the line for the shuttle since we parked so far away. There's a bus. It's gonna take us close. Okay, Christiana, fit check. I agree.
5 different color greens, but we all right.
We arrived at 9:30, but apparently that was too late because all of these closed parking lots were full. We had to park in infamous lot 7, which was probably a mile away from the entrance. So we got on this crowded school bus that took us all the way up to the entrance. And when we got to the entrance, it was with people trying to get in. But we did make it. We took our snowboarding lessons. That was about an hour and a half. It actually was really helpful. Would definitely recommend. If you've never been, you're going to need it. Trust me. After the lessons, we stopped in the little cafe, got us some Gatorade and a little bit of a snack. We took all the photo ops we could and stood at the end of the slope being good friends, waiting for Christiana to slide on down so we can get the best shot. We were standing right in front of each other but could not see each other because we were so far away. But we did find her and we did get our shot.
What's up, party people? Another day, another ski, another mountain, another snowboard. We snowboard out. This is a reminder, get out, try new things, experience new experiences. You never know what you may like. You're gonna fall down, that's okay. Get back up, try again until you get it right.
The perfect angle is crazy. We are taking a little break.
A couple of falls, my bum hurt.
Worn out from the baby slope. As you can see, Christiana's going with the wind. She's on, who knows? She probably went to the summit at this point. I'm ready to go. I've fallen enough times. Every time I try, I fall, except for this once. And I didn't get that one on camera. We're tired, we're hungry, we're ready to sit down. How are you feeling after that run?
I wiped out.
How are you feeling after your runs, Christiana?
Look at my face, like, look at it. It's like my goggles and my mask thing was was right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, I
like,
can see now.
it tore me up. So like, yeah, I'm done. I had fun. Will I do it again? Yes.
Yes.
But right now, no, I'm done.
He'll be back, but I won't. Yeah, just sit that over there.
Well, I would be wet because I was wet last time.
And I got that on camera. I'm putting that in there. They're gonna be like, "What you talking about?"
Yeah, I was definitely wet.
Spare coochie. Oh, it's getting cold now.
I'm about to get bucket naked, okay? So just stay back here, don't look.
Take him on there. Yeah. You got it. Think about me every night. Oh,
Do we need music? Is that okay?
that's that me espresso.
You need to use my.
I ain't never had no lemonade cake before. This cheesecake looks bomb though. I'm on that. I was paying attention this time. I mean, I feel like what I got is good though.
I need some B-roll.
Get her back. Yeah, this is just like regular color.
We are back home, my guys. We made it home after a very long day of driving, falling, eating, and being stared at. Why is she looking at me like that? When I first went out there, I thought falling was gonna be worse. Like, I thought it was gonna feel like being on a skateboard, like how wobbly a skateboard is. But it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And especially after you fall the first time, it's like you're not really scared of falling the rest of the times. I will say my knee does hurt a little bit now from my snowboard twisting it all over the place. I did feel a little bit more confident at the end of it all after just practicing, as it usually goes with trying any new thing. Will I be back? That's a good question. Did it give me anxiety? Yes. That's why I stayed on the little baby slopes the entire time. Did I get on the ski lifts? No, not at all. That little tube thing, I didn't like that little tube thing. That tube thing was scary. I almost fell getting on and off. And if it wasn't for the men at the beginning and the end, and the fact that I grabbed and latched onto both of them, I would have fallen. They don't pay them enough. I think it was a pretty good experience for my first time snowboarding. In the event that I had more time, I would have practiced more. I didn't learn how to stop or slow down or any of that bougie stuff. Maybe I would have gone on the actual green slope. Because we just stayed in the training area the entire time, which is exactly where I needed to be. Will I go again? Probably. I probably would stress myself out again by choice, but I'm gonna need a good long break before I go again. I feel like that'll be a good ending. But how do I get out of frame? Should I roll out?
Oh my goodness.
So we got on the shuttle was a school bus, and we were so cramped together. You're breathing in each other's smells and breaths. I can still smell their breaths right now.